Hey guys, hope you're well. My name is Ivan. I run Odenix, an AI automation agency. I just want to take you through this little AI agent I built here that can transcribe the text from any image and translate it to English. So we've started with the supervisor as always. The chat model that the supervisor is running is GPT-4o with a temperature of 0.5, and obviously because we require the uploading of images, we've clicked to allow image uploads here. The only thing I've changed with the supervisor is to tell it the order to go in, to go to the transcriber, and then the translator will get the text that the transcriber has transcribed and translate it, work out what language it's in and translate it. So we've called the first worker transcriber, told it that you are a transcriber who can get text from images and transcribe it. Pretty simple. And then the second worker has been told it is a translator who can identify the language of the text first and then translate it to English as long as it is a language it is familiar with. So if we go here, we go to upload an image, we pick this image here. Image with some text in German. So first, it's going to transcribe the text from the image. Did that pretty quick. And then as you can see very quickly, it's translated each line into English. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful. I know that this is a task that you can use Google and things like that to do, but it's still useful if you're getting familiar with Flowise to know some of these bits. So yeah, hopefully that's helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.